Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're excited to bring you a review of the latest and greatest gaming laptop from Acer, the Predator Triton 300 SE gaming laptop. This laptop is packed with some of the most powerful components on the market. This makes it a top choice for serious gamers and professionals who need a machine that can handle demanding workloads. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Acer 2023 Predator Triton 300 SE gaming laptop. We'll tell you everything you need to know about this laptop and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer or a professional who needs a high-end laptop, stick around to see what this gaming laptop has to offer. Let's get started. Acer Predator Triton 300 SE gaming laptop. The Acer Predator Triton 300 SE is a high-performance gaming laptop designed to deliver an immersive gaming experience. With cutting-edge hardware and advanced features, this laptop is built for serious gamers who demand the best. The Acer Predator Triton 300 SE is a powerful gaming laptop that is sure to satisfy even the most discerning gamers. Design. The Acer latest Predator Triton 300 SE gaming laptop has a sleek, futuristic look with its angular lines and silver metal finish. It comes in silver, sparkly silver and titanium gray color. It's slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and has a Predator logo on the lid that adds a nice touch. Display. The display on this laptop is a 16-inch IPS panel with a 2560 by 1600 pixels 16:10 aspect ratio, widescreen IPS LED backlit WQXGA 500 nits panel clocks in with a 240 Hz refresh. It's also HDR 1000 certified, meaning you'll get vibrant colors and deeper blacks for an immersive gaming experience. The screen also supports G-Sync, so you won't experience any screen tearing or stuttering. Performance. The Acer Predator Triton 300 SE gaming laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7-12700H14 core processor with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This means this device can handle demanding tasks with ease. It also comes with a whopping 1TB SSD, which provides lightning-fast storage and quick boot-up times. Graphics. The graphics on this laptop are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card with 8GB dedicated memory. This means you'll be able to play the latest games at high settings without any issues. Cooling. The Triton 300 SE gaming laptop comes with the best state-of-the-art cooling, custom-engineered with 5th Gen Aeroblade 3D fan technology, Vortex Flow airflow guidance for maximum heat dissipation. Keyboard and trackpad. It is a keyboard without numpad and has a backlit 3-zone RGB keyboard with per-key customization. It's comfortable to type on and has a good amount of travel, making it great for extended gaming sessions. The trackpad is also large and responsive, which is a nice bonus. Connectivity. As for connectivity, this laptop has plenty of ports. It includes 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a DisplayPort 1.4, and an Ethernet port. It also has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you can stay connected wherever you are. Speakers. The speakers on this laptop are pretty impressive, with DTS-X Ultra technology that provides a 3D surround sound experience. Battery. The battery life is also decent, with up to 9 hours of use on a single charge. Webcam. There's also a built-in 1080p webcam, which is great for video calls and streaming. Operating system. The Triton gaming laptop comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so you'll have access to all the latest features and updates. Specification table. Conclusion. Overall, this is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that's built for serious gamers and professionals. With its impressive specs, stunning display, and sleek design, it's definitely worth checking out. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. If you got the value out of this video, please hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell icon to see more videos from us. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can click on the Amazon link in the description. And if you use that Amazon link to purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive and helpful content coming your way. Also, if you want to know more about Triton Gaming Laptop, visit our website using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.